Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to update Spotify to the latest version. So I'm currently on Spotify right here, and I'll show you this is not actually the latest version. If you want to go ahead and update, sometimes the updates increase so much they actually go ahead and lock you out of the app entirely. So you're going to go ahead and open up the Play Store, and I want you to actually search for Spotify. Okay, there we go. We have Spotify right here. So if I click on this, you can see it's asking us to update. All you need to do is go ahead and click on update right here. Okay, click on update and it will start installing the update. And now you just need to wait for the update to be done install, and then it'll go ahead and open up this app. Okay, so there we go. It is currently installing, and I can show you the current version that I'm working with. So I'm installing and updating to 9.0.2.0.604. So as you can see right now, it is installing. And then once it's done installing, what happens is you'll see instead of update, it will show open. When it shows open, it is the latest version. So I'll go ahead and open up Spotify. And here we go. It's really that easy and simple.